Children, today we will observe the stomata in Rheo leaf. For this, we require Rheo leaves, slide, watch glass, cover slip, brush, scissor, water and microscope. Take the Rheo leaf and tear the leaf in single stroke. Cut a small piece of leaf peel with light colored portion. Put them into a watch glass containing water. Now take the slide and put it on slide. And put a drop of water on it. Now cover it with cover slip without having any air bubbles. Now place the slide under the microscope and observe it. Jaipal, what you are observing?
I am observing polygonal shaped cells and some minute aperture like structures, ma'am.
Good, Jaipal. Children, these minute aperture like structures are the stomata. These are guarded by guard cells. This stomata helps in gaseous exchange and transpiration.